Welcome! It's a little dark and gloomy outside, so my lighting in here is a little off. But we are getting ready to make essential oil popsicles, and I am so thrilled that you are here. And I hope this is something that you can do with your family this weekend. Immediately following this, I will download this and put it on the blog, and so it will be there with all the recipes, but it's super simple to make. Hope it's something that you and your family can do. You can use something else besides essential oils, but we are promoting essential oils just because they're fabulous, and they have so many different properties that can help in wellness and health. So all you're going to need is 3 simple ingredients: coconut water. You can find this in the ethnic aisle. And then 20 ounces of crushed pineapple in a can, and then your favorite vitality oil. So this month our vitality oil is actually grapefruit, so I'm going to be making grapefruit, but our son Freddie doesn't love grapefruit, so I'm going to be making him some lemon ones. But I have lemon, orange, and grapefruit here. And I'm going to start out with the lemon. So for us, I'm going to make lemon, pineapple, and grapefruit. But you're going to use the whole can of this. You'll need some Popsicles. These you can buy off Amazon. However, if you share this video, tag a friend, let me know that you shared it, then I will enter you to win one of these guys. We're going to give one of these away today. So, or not today, but to a viewer. We want to give it a couple days for everybody to be able to share it and look at it and hopefully make some. Share them with us, tag us at Jackson Pine Farm, hashtag us, all of that good stuff. And it'll be up on YouTube, and then I'll have a link on our Instagram and in this group. And I am struggling. I also dropped the coconut water and a second ago, so it might spew. We shall see. Alright, so 1 can of that. I'm just using a pitcher because I just feel like it's easier to pour. And then a 1/4 cup of coconut water. This stuff keeps for a while, so we're good. It's been long enough, I guess. Alright, so full of that, then a 1/4, smells delicious, of this. Alright, got your coconut water. And then you're going to do 20 drops of your favorite essential oil. So because I'm going to do a mix up, we are going to start with lemon, and I'm going to do, normally I would do 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Usually you're going to do 20 drops, I believe. Let me double check that because I want to make sure that that's correct. I think it's 20 of the grapefruit, but I think it's 10 and 10. So I'm going to do 20 lemon because his needs to be 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. All right, so 20 drops of your favorite essential oil, and then you're going to stir it up. I like this guy better. Now it's super chunky. You can dilute this with a little more of that coconut water if you want, but it really, that crushed pineapple really kicks it off. I'm going to put just a little more in it. Normally I'd only be making 1 set, but I happen to have 2 here, so I'm going to make that. I'm going to put grapefruit in mine. Alright, now this little guy, it's called a Popsicle. I'll show you the box here. And all you have to do is use this little funnel and make sure that it's good and snug in there. And then we're just going to fill these up. I'll also be putting a blog up with some other things. It doesn't like that crushed pineapple, so I'm going to use it a different way. Improvise, adapt, and overcome. Okay, we're going to go the old-fashioned way. Now you're going to want to leave about a 1/2 of an inch at the top for the expansion. And you want to make sure and get some of those chunks in there too. So you might have to work it a little. It smells so good. So this is a lemon pineapple blend. And I'm making a mess, so if you make a mess, just know you're right at home. Alright. These citrusy ones are great for energy and just feeling happy and joyful and all that stuff. Now these are going to need a minimum of 8 hours in the freezer. So if you make them tonight, they'll be ready to go by tomorrow. So lots of Saturday fun there. Great thing to do if you're babysitting. Or having a little sleepover. A great breakfast for you even. We're really focused on having some healthy, fun after-school snacks that are already made. And this is something they can literally pull out of the freezer and not waste their appetite for dinner. You don't have to worry about all that sugar that's unnatural. All right, I'm going to top that one off with a little coconut water. All right, I got one set done. Now I'm going to add some grapefruit to mine. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These are for Mama. I like the grapefruit because it gives it a little zest, a little zing. These citrus ones are also really good for using in marinades, just to kind of substitute regular juice, lemon juice or lime juice. I think I can get 2 more. How fun. Almost done. So out of that 1 can of pineapple and what would have been 20 drops of 1 essential oil, but I used 2 because I wanted something a little different. I got 10 popsicles, so that's really price. It's really good for that price, and you can reuse these guys all the time. I'm going to top these off with a little coconut water. And I still have, my can is this full, so this one is a little full, so I'm going to put a little in that. Alright, so I'm going to put these guys in. You just pop these right in place. And then when you go to take them out, after they're frozen, just run some hot water over them just for a few seconds, and then that top will come right off. It's a little nerve-wracking at first. These are going to be great for the weekend. Thank you guys for tuning in. We'd love for you to tag a friend that's not in this group. Subscribe to us at Jackson Pine Farm, both on our website, it's jacksonpinefarm.com, or find us on YouTube, find us on Instagram, Pinterest. Of course, we have lots of free ideas coming at you, and if you share this, share, tag a friend, as many entries as you like, as many times as you want to share, and we'll get your name entered to win some of these motorcycles. And you guys have a fabulous weekend. Thanks so much. Bye.